Extend the arm nearest to you at a right angle, palm facing up. Bring their other arm across and hold the back of their hand against their cheek. Bend the knee furthest from you up to a right angle, keeping their foot on the ground. Roll the person onto their side by pulling their bent knee towards you, keeping their hand against their cheek. Open their airway and adjust their bent leg to a right angle. The casualty is now in the recovery position. While the casualty is in the recovery position, it is vital that you stay with them and monitor their condition until qualified professional medical assistance arrives.